Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, welcome to the online class of Dr. Khastagir Govt Girls High School. I am Moshfeka Akter Chowdhury here, and our today's class is for the students of class 9. And today we are gonna read English first paper, English for today. Okay, let's begin our today's class with some pictures. There are some pictures on the screen. Dear students, look at them carefully. These three are the pictures of mountain peaks. Can you guess what's the name of the mountain? Yes, the name of the mountain is Mount Everest. Okay, can anybody tell me the name of the country that is related to Mount Everest? Very good. The country is Nepal. Dear students, here I brought a map of Nepal for you. Look at it. It is an Asian country and a small country. So our today's topic is Unit 6, Our Neighbors, Lesson 1, Nepal, the land of Everest. The learning outcomes of our today's class. After we have studied this lesson, we will be able to read and comprehend text, select and write headings, ask and answer questions, read travel advertisement and talk about them, write letters to friends describing places of interest. Now, let's begin the lesson with some new words. Our first word is sublime. Can you guess what's the meaning of sublime? It means of great excellence, that is elevated. Our second new word is drench, and the meaning of drench is soak or wet thoroughly. The third word is peak. Dear students, what's the meaning of peak? Any guesses? Yes, peak means the top of a mountain, apex. And our fourth word is dazzling. And dazzling means extremely bright. Okay? Okay, it's time to read the text. We have a large text of 6 paragraphs in our English for Today book. Let's try to read it. Lesson 1. Nepal, the land of Everest. Known as the land of Everest, Nepal is one of the most charming countries in Asia. The Kingdom of Nepal is a small land of sublime beauty. It has some of the world's best and very important temples. It is a country that is rich in scenic beauty and cultural heritage. Part B. Nepal lies between India and the Tibetan part of China. This small country has an area of 147,181 square kilometers. Southern Nepal is tropical lowland known as the Theri Plains. This part of Nepal has hot summers and warm winters. Here the temperatures reach up to 40 degrees Celsius in April and May, and monsoon rains drench this region from June to September. The central hilllands, including the Kathmandu and Pokhara valleys, have a temperate climate and are also influenced by the monsoon. North of that is the slope of the main section of the Himalayan range. This part of Nepal has some of the highest peaks of the world, including Everest. Paragraph C. Nepal is home to nearly 29 million people. The population is primarily rural. Kathmandu, the capital city, has less than 1 million inhabitants. Nepal's demographic features are complicated not only by dozens of ethnic groups but by different castes. In total, there are 103 castes and ethnic groups living in this small country. The two largest of such groups are known as Chhetri and Bahun. Others include Magar, Tharu and Tamang, Nawar, Muslim, Gurung and Damai. About 48% of the people speak Nepali. Among other languages spoken are Maithili, Bhojpuri, Tharu and Tamang. Paragraph D. Nepal is the holy land of Lord Pashupatinath and Gautam Buddha, where the Hindus and Buddhists have lived together in harmony for centuries. The temple of Pashupatinath is the most sacred Hindu shrine and one of the 4 most important sites in the world for Shiva worshippers. Lord Buddha, the light of Asia, was born in Lumbini in Nepal's southern plains, which makes these a sacred pilgrimage destination for the Buddhist as well. In fact, many Nepalis combine Hindu and Buddhist practices. Many temples and shrines are shared between the two faiths, and some deities are worshipped by both Hindus and Buddhists. Paragraph E. The Kathmandu Valley is the richest cultural heritage center of Nepal. The 3 ancient cities of the valley, Patan, Kathmandu and Bhaktapur, represent an epitome of harmony in urban design, elegant architecture and refined culture. These cities are famous for religious monuments unequaled in the world. The 7 monument zones situated within the valley have been named as World Heritage Sites by UNESCO. Paragraph F. Many festivals add dazzling color to Nepal's vibrant culture, which is celebrated throughout the year. Dashain or Dashera is celebrated nationwide in October. This is the most important of all Nepali celebrations and includes the biggest animal sacrifice of the year. Tihar is celebrated in November. Other festivals include the Holi and Chaitra Daisan. Some Hindu festivals are the Haribodhini Ekadashi, Mahashivratri and the Krishna Jayanti. There are Buddhist celebrations too, and those includes Maniremt, Buddha Jayanti and Lasar, which marks the Tibetan New Year. So dear students, we have already finished our text for today. Hope you all have already finished with me. Alright dear students, as you have completed reading the text, I have a task for you. The passage that we have completed has 6 paragraphs. You have to choose the most suitable headings for paragraph A to F from the list below. There are more headings in the box than the paragraphs, so you will not use all of them. So let's go for the headings. Okay, now we have the list of headings. The first one, climate that varies from place to place. Heading number 2, a land of religious coexistence. Number 3, a land of high peaks and Everest. Number 4, a small country with a huge population. Number 5, a blend of natural beauty and cultural heritage. Number 6, the temples of Nepal. Number 7, many occasions to celebrate. Number 8, a rich spot of cultural heritage. Number 9, a small population with huge diversity. So these 9 are the headings that is given in the list. Now we have to go through the paragraphs once again, and we have to choose the headings for those 6 paragraphs that we have read in our text. So for the first paragraphs, which one of the headings should be appropriate, dear students? Yes, the 5th one, a blend of natural beauty and cultural heritage. We can use these headings in paragraph A. And for paragraph B, we can use heading number 1, climate that varies from place to place. Then for the paragraph C, we can use heading number 4, a small country with a huge population. Then for paragraph D, we can use the 3rd one, a land of religious coexistence. As in paragraph D, we have read about the religious harmony in Nepal. And in paragraph E, we can use the headline, a rich spot of cultural heritage. And for paragraph F, we can use the headline, many occasions to celebrate. So we have already completed choosing the headings for the given paragraphs. As we have completed the text and we have understood the text, now we have to write the answers of the following questions. There are 6 questions for you. The first question is, how many ethnic groups are there in Nepal? Question number 2, what do you know about the weather of Nepal? Number 3, many Nepalis combine Hindu and Buddhist practices. Explain these statements with examples from passage. Number 4, which 3 cities of Nepal will you visit in order to see the rich samples of Nepal's cultural heritage sites? Number 5, make a list of the festivals that are celebrated in Nepal. Number 6, give at least 3 reasons why you might be interested to visit Nepal. Also make a list of the places you would love to visit in Nepal. Students, you have to write the answers of the questions in your copies and you have to submit it in the next class. Right, dear students, now I have a different type of activity for you. On the screen, we can see an advertisement of a package tour to Nepal. It is a Dhaka Kathmandu Pokhara package tour and it cost Bangladeshi Taka 39,999 Taka. And the duration of this tour is 4 nights and 5 days. The package includes some facilities and some conditions. Those are written on the advertisement board. Okay? Dear students, read those informations carefully. Our next activity will be based on these informations. Okay? Let's go to the activity. Dear girls, hope you have read all the informations on the advertisement page carefully. Now discuss if the following statements are true or false. Give the correct information if a statement is false. Number A. A package includes the cost of travelling from Kathmandu airport to the hotel in Kathmandu. Is it true or false? Yes, it's true. Number B. The tourist will be provided with breakfast, lunch and dinner. Dear students, is it true or false? It is false. The tourist will be provided with only breakfast and dinner. Number C. The tourists do not have to pay extra for a half-day sightseeing in Pokhara. Is it true or false? Yes, it's false. The tourists do not have to pay extra for a half-day sightseeing in Kathmandu. Number D. The tour operators will bear all visa-related cost. It's a false statement. The operators will bear return air ticket with Bangladesh airport taxes and Kathmandu departure taxes. And number E, the tourist will go to Pokhara from Kathmandu by domestic airlines flight. Is it true or false? It is also false. The tourist will go to Pokhara from Kathmandu by AC bus. So, this is our true-false activity. Dear students, as we have finished the true-false activity, we are now at the end of our today's class. Now we have a writing activity to complete. Imagine that you have chosen the package tour to visit Kathmandu and Pokhara. Now write a letter to your friend highlighting the main attractions offered by the package. In your letter, you should cover the following points. That is, the duration of travel, means of transport used, accommodation facilities, breakfast, lunch and dinner, total cost of the package, any other cost that is not covered by the package offer. And dear students, it is your homework for today's class. That's the end of our today's class. Stay safe, stay healthy. Bye bye.